Let's take a closer look at Amber Heard's statement after the trial. Feel me once here, driving instructor of the world. I still can't get this out of my head. So even in this statement, Amber is gaslighting us. The disappointment is beyond words. Well, I see a bunch of words here. She's heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough. So you're saying you presented a mountain of evidence. I thought you still had a mountain of evidence. Are there two mountains? Two mounds of evidence? We saw the mountain of evidence that was presented, and it was not enough to stand up to anything. It wasn't enough to stand up to the proportionate power of an ant. And you lied so many times. You're still saying that Johnny's power, influence, and sway is what affected the jury? That's a dig at them. Now look at this second paragraph. This is what Amber does. She's even more. So over the first paragraph, there's more disappointment with what this verdict means for other women. Now Amber does this. She tells the truth, but in a weird, twisted way. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman, you're the woman you're talking about, Amber, a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. That's what she's going through right now. That's not setting back the clock. That's you don't like to be publicly shamed and humiliated for lying. It does set back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously, but that's your fault, Amber. You're the one with the false claims. Notice, it's everybody else's fault but hers. She uses some form or tense of the word I 10 times in this. She says she believes. We don't care what you believe. We care what the evidence says. So notice that everything is always someone else's fault. She uses a tense of I 10 times in this letter, but it's always to blame someone else. She continues. She believes Johnny's attorney succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech. What? The First Amendment wasn't violated in any way. You got to say what you want, but it doesn't protect you from the consequences of lying. Then ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. You did not win in the UK. The trial was, like life, not about you. The Sun won in the UK. I'm sad I lost this case. You did lose it. You lost it for everyone. Notice, there's no gratitude for the judge, no gratitude for her attorneys, no gratitude for anything.